Thank you, Molly. Oh, you know, I think that the tomato soup is a little undercooked. Could you please put this back in the oven? Oh, no, you need to use your glove. Can you put your glove back on?
Yeah. It's hot.
Put your oven glove on, Molly. Perfect. Perfect. Is that the Thanksgiving dinner? Is it all ready?
No.
Oh, did you forget one?
Excuse me? Oh, you need two. If there's only one, I'm sorry, honey. You only need one. Oh. There you go.
No, this is Mommy's.
Yeah, we can share Mommy's.
No, like Miles.
You like one like that? There's only one of those.
Share Mommy's.
There you go. Share Mommy's.
No,
No?
I don't like Mommy's.
You don't like Mommy's?
I like Miles.
You like yours?
Yeah.
Okay.